today I have some accessories in the back of the van that I got from Daiso, and we're gonna put some of them together to start outfitting the inside of this van. The van is a little bit of a mess right now, just because we are about to move into a new place. But I have some accessories here. These are curtains that were $1 each. And I have these racks that I want to put up on these windows. And then this is an accessory basket to hang onto the rack, and hooks for gear. And these are suction cups and other hooks to hang the racks. I think the rest of the stuff is just tools. Okay, this is my receipt. Let's see. All of it cost me 1,980 yen, which I don't know the conversion exactly, but it's probably around $12 to $15. I'm gonna start with one of these curtains. I'm not expecting much because this curtain was $1, so we'll see. I think it already has the suction cups and the string. Very nice. This should be pretty straightforward, actually. Oh, it's really nice getting it on the right way. There's one, there's the other. Oh, nice. And then I can tighten the string. There's nothing down here that's gonna secure it, but I'm sure I can get some sort of Velcro down here to help keep it in place. But wow, that's really nice, actually. $1. Can't really beat it. All right, I'm gonna stick to the same side. So I'm gonna attempt to put one of these racks up on this window. Also, partially, I know Ayane will wanna do one of the sides with me, so I'm going to just do this side for now. It is hot, so I'm gonna put the hair back. So let's see. The angle of the window is a little bit outward, so it's not gonna be completely straight, but that's why I got some zip ties as well to keep it as close to the window as possible. But I guess you wouldn't want it too close or else I can't hang anything, so we'll see how it lines up. I am first going to start with these, I guess they're called sheet hooks. I'm gonna mock up here really quickly. There's one. That seems pretty good. We'll start with that. We'll see how that goes. I don't really have any way to keep the measurement. I guess I'll use that, what I just marked with my nail. This just removes, there's a little backing, and I have, okay, press it down, make sure everything is good. This is fun. Oh man, I've been excited about cars I've had before, but just having the freedom to use this van and utilize a cool little car that I've never had the experience of using, like this little K-van before, is pretty special to me. All right, that's looking good. I think we'll do this just in case, because that makes sense to me. Here we go. All right, it's official. Just out of excitement, because now I have something hanging. Let's see how this looks up here. Ooh, I like that. Put some surf wax in here, other things, miscellaneous items. I could even throw it all the way down here. Wow, that's exciting. That's really exciting. I also have some S-shaped hooks. I can't speak right now. Now I have these suction cups that I also got from Daiso, which were 100 yen, I'm assuming, because usually the packages will say the price if it's over 100 yen. I also have some cable ties that I'll be using to put to attach the rack to the suction cup. So I want the rack to be right in the middle of this suction cup here. Yep, that looks good. I think with the cable tie, that will be pretty dang secure. We're gonna get a zip tie. We're gonna get the pliers. I'm gonna show you up close since you might not be able to see it very well on the video, but I put the suction cup right at the corner of this rack, and then you can see there's a hole that goes through the suction cup. And I'm just gonna throw this zip tie through there like that and around the rack. Let's do this. Zip tie, suction cup, rack. There we go. Very nice. Let me show you the result. It's already pretty stable, and I don't have the other side attached yet. Surely this little rack and other S-hooks will be totally okay on this rack. It's perfect. Suction cup, cable tie. Okay, that was a little bit better, but that's pretty secure. I bought this little broom for the van because I've already gotten the van quite sandy. Show it to you really quickly. Little broom, and then has a little dustpan it rests in, so I can wipe some sand off really quickly and just clean pretty easily. It's quite nice. So here's the finished product of one side with my Daiso accessories. If I were to count what I spent on all the accessories here, I have $1 for the rack, $1 for these hooks, $1 for the suction cups, $1 for the basket. That's $4, $5 for the pliers, $6 for the broom, $7 for the S-hooks, and $8 with that curtain. So $8 altogether for this side. That's pretty dang good. I'm excited about that. If you enjoyed this short video of my Daiso accessory installation, I would appreciate if you hit the like button and also consider subscribing, as there will be more K-Van videos coming out in the near future. I'll see you next time. Until then, take it easy.